Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a working Grafana data source and a dashboard panel you want to monitor. First, verify queries return recent time series points so alerts use reliable data. Once done, open the panel's alerting options and choose Create Alert. This begins the rule editor. Make sure to name the rule clearly so you can find it later, because consistent names help when you have many alerts. Now you define the how, add or reuse the panel query, and pick the metric and time window that reflect meaningful changes. Set the evaluation interval and build a condition. Choose average, maximum, or a ratio depending on the metric, so the rule triggers only on real incidents. Once configured, use test rule or the query inspector to preview results and tweak the window or thresholds to reduce false positives. This reduces alert fatigue and increases trust in alerts. Finish by wiring alerts into your notification system. Select or create contact points like email, Slack, or PagerDuty, and assign them in a notification policy. Then set routing rules and optional silences to avoid unwanted noise. Use send test to confirm delivery and save the rule. If alerts don't fire, check query timestamps and panel time zone first. Mismatched time ranges are the most common problem. Adjust the query window or panel time settings and retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.